We did the headlights, SRT badges, full wrap getting done on that one. SRT badge installed on that one. Dope boy just chilling in the cut. Got this one here for the LED conversion on the way. Dark Horse over there got the underglows and the tire letters done. So y'all see it, man. We working. Feel sad that we missed out on the damn lamb that day. The lamb, whatchamacallit? From the what that shit was called? Hopsy, whatever the fuck. Yeah, the punk shit. We didn't know it was like that. That man was like, I done drove all the way from what he said, Wisconsin or some shit. Philadelphia, that's what he said. Philadelphia.
Oh, I think he was capping.
Had to be capping. He was there for probably for damn, cause what was it, Halloween or some shit? I mean, not Halloween, Christmas. He's probably there already for family. And Googled it, and it said world famous. What was it, shawarmas or whatever the fuck? Not shawarmas. Found some? Oh. So you cut your pants leg off? That's what it looked like.
Yeah. I have to go to Wells Fargo and get rid of my Wells Fargo.
You said get rid of it? Why are they trying to charge you fees?
It is starting me fees. The thing is, I had a car when I was just now in high school.
Right.
So I know money back.
Yeah, because it's a yearly membership fee or
Not even a membership fee, it's a monthly.
monthly? Month.
The thing is, if you don't have the money coming in, they charge you.
So if you just got the account sitting,
Yeah, which it has been.
they charge you how much? per month. And that shit,
A lot.
that shit add up. That shit definitely adds up.
I'm gonna have to go in and do it now. Like talk to somebody.
Yeah, because they can possibly get something waived for you.
I mean, I don't
Hit them with the you ain't know. Shit, I ain't know. I ain't know. Hit them with the I ain't know.
Yeah, it's time to get rid of this shit. But it's like I kind of want to keep it just for GP, you know?
Shit, they got way better bank accounts that don't charge you. If anything, they give you percentages for letting it or having it sit.
I'm gonna ask mom.
This, yeah, no. Probably want to look for like a credit union or something.
That's what my card is now.
You just want like a backup one.
Just in case, yeah, I don't know.
Nowadays, just because they got like PayPal cards and Cash App cards and shit, I don't see the point. Most of the transactions nowadays is, Cash App, PayPal, and shit, them be banks. All them shits is banks. All them shits is literally banks.
That they created a little interview with the kids from Stone Mountain because they walked out of school for protest
Mm-hmm.
for ICE.
For ICE? And what they talking about?
You know, all the kids protesting now, walking out of school because I think, if I'm not mistaken, some ICE been coming to people's school.
What?
Like I've seen a lot of videos where teachers have been going crazy, making them not letting them come in.
I'd be mad as hell.
Yeah, they pissed. Like, you have no right here. This is my own. That is getting serious.
Yeah, these folks here trying to learn, man.
Literally.
Go fuck with the motherfucking Mexicans that's at the strip clubs and doing elsewhere.
Not even there.
Shit. I mean, some shit, just pick somewhere better than a fucking school. Shit. And that ain't none but shit. Somebody done snitched. Or somebody done told, hey, there's a whole lot of fucking illegals in this fucking school. Come get right. When we on the way, we gonna order it.
You said we're gonna order when we're on the way?
Mm-hmm. What you laughing at?
This fucking video.
Don't make unnecessary And don't swim in the sea. Incredibly, people have been spotted in the water here in Blackrock and Salthill both today and yesterday.
Holy shit. The fuck?
Oh, she got her shit beat in. Looked like they were stop sign.
Somebody got tired of her shit. She's pleading, please. Nobody.
Love you, but my love language is different. 678825741. Get my phone so I said down. Give me what you want. Told me that you from the east side, but I asked you not. Hold your breath up for the lead down. They don't know why I moved to the side. And I leave this for the nasty. I mean this way over here.
Let the car matches your fit. Bubba. Let's get to work, buddy. Babe, can you move this car for me?
Move it.
Yep.
Move it to where?
First you're gonna back it up, and then you're gonna move it to the left. Just follow me.
What you mean to left?
This way. I need it more to the left. Get in the car.